I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. I hope you're having a good week so far. Today's Monday. I'm going to be looking at 2 ETFs and 2 swing trades coming up. 2 of them are the ETFs that are going to be for long-term investment. You can also swing trade them. They're a little high volatile, I would say medium, but you can also swing them, invest in them. Alright, so if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe and go ahead and click the bell button right next to it to stay notified of my new videos. I'm going to be making more and more videos on swing trades and investing videos, so stay updated on those. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into Thinkorswim. The first one of the swing trade is going to be DHI. This is going to be swing term for about a week or so. As you can see over here, it's almost oversold. Well, it is oversold right now, but anything below 30 is highly oversold. So anything below like 50 is pretty good. Anything above you want to stay out of, because anything above 70 you definitely don't want to get in because it's going to fall. Alright, so looking at this, you can see MACD, it's in the red zone right now. It actually is coming down second time, so it definitely is oversold. Did the swing on this last week. I did it 2 times and that was successful. I showed you that in my last video. So I'm going to be looking to get in this anywhere between 50 and 51. Right now it's at 50.83 aftermarket. I believe it closed at 50.95 at the highest aftermarket. So 50.75 or anything between 50 and 50.75 is really good. I don't think it'll break below 50 because this usually recovers fast. You can look on the candles over here. So this is going to recover fast and shoot back up. It's below the 50 EMA line, so it definitely will come back. I got a buy alert here last time. On here you can see at 51.30. So that's going to be a swing trade for about a week or two. I want to look profit target high 52s, 53. It might make new yearly all-time highs actually above 53.25 if you want to hold longer for that. But I'm going to be looking to take profit between 52 and 53. The next one's going to be STZ. I showed you this in my ETFs for 2018 video. This is also oversold and it's coming back up right now. It tried to make a move up, but right now it came back down. Looks like it was just people were swinging it or taking profits there, and it's coming down here to this line, the 200 EMA, and definitely going to be a buy here because it's way oversold here. So on the MACD you can see it's going to green, so I'm definitely going to get in. This is good anywhere above 215 to 220. Right now it's at 217.76, so you want to look to take profit around 225, net between 225 and 230, and it might make a new all-time highs. It will definitely break this 230.50. So if you want to hold this long term, it's very good. Look at the yearly chart on this one. Look at that. That's good. Just buy the dips, sell the highs, and just continue. So the next 2 are going to be ETFs, SVXY. This is for the short-term futures. This is going to be a little more volatile. It moves faster than normal ETFs because it's more leverage and it's pro shares. So this one moves pretty fast, but you want to get these on the dips and sell them on the highs. And this is not oversold, but this is definitely a buy soon. This one up really high to 139.47 on this, you can see on the chart. So I'm going to be looking to get in this around 125 if I can get it. Markets are really strong right now, so maybe 127 to 128. That's a really good. I'm going to be looking to take profit above 135. But this is definitely a long-term hold as well. But I really like doing the swing trades on these because it's really predictable. Whenever it's oversold or the MACD's in the red, I buy and sell in the green. Next one's going to be UDAO. This is one of my favorite big moving pro shares ETF. This one is lots more steadier than the one I showed you before. So looking at the 180 days, this isn't, it's just below the overbought line, so it's a 64.36 on the RSI, but I'm going to be looking for a lower entry on this one, maybe around 104, 105 if I can get it, but markets are really strong like I said before, so around 105 will be a really great entry. If it does drop any more, then just load up and it'll shoot back up. So I'm going to be looking to get in around 105 and exit around 108 to 110. If it does hit 110, it will definitely break through the all-time highs. There might be a little dip and I'll go back up. So looking at the MACD, it should be coming down within the next 2 days. So wait a little on this one. But DHI, SDZ, and SVXY are definitely, you can start a position tomorrow. Since today is the first day that markets are falling, so you want to follow the 3-day rule. If you don't know what that is, look it up, Google it. It's a 3-day rule on when markets fall. There's a good article, I'll post it in the link, just so you can read up on it. So these three are definitely a buy right now. Increase your position later on and then take profits. And UDAO, just wait a little, but this is definitely a good long-term hold. Look at the yearly chart on this one. So this one's been going up really well. It's holding above 50 EMA line, way above it. So it's almost overbought all the time. Whenever you get these small dips, it's definitely a buy. Alright guys, so these are going to be about week to 2 hold. But if you're going long term, it's definitely a great buy entry right now for 2018. Look to hold these for long term. Alright guys, take care. I hope you enjoyed my swing calls, and let's see how these goes this week. I'll check back in later on and show you how I did on my ETF swings and investing. Alright guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe. It'll help me a lot. Let's try to push this up to 1,000 subscribers. I'll make a special video on my ETFs and the 1,000 subscriber video. Alright guys, take care.